Hey, hi, Angel here. Thanks for stopping by. I just want to remind you, it's never too late to begin again, to start over. If you drop the ball, you fall off the track that you want to be on, maybe you did like me and ate some carrot cake that you knew wasn't going to be good for you because I had wheat in it, or didn't work out as often as you used to, and so now your body's a little sluggish. I'm talking about me here, but I know I'm not alone in that. I know that's a common place that we fall off track from where we want to be, and I just want to remind you and remind me, there's nothing to do but just pick yourself back up, put yourself back on track, and keep driving forward, right? Doesn't do any good to put yourself down or moan and whine about how you didn't do what you wanted to. I mean, it's okay to talk to yourself a little and maybe, decide not to do that, or figure out if there's a reason, something that you're getting out of that. And I'm talking to me as much as I'm talking to you. I'm just sharing my experience, my personal reflection on clearly, if I'm self-sabotaging, there's something I'm getting out of that, or something, some pattern that's ingrained in me that, if I can figure out what I'm getting out of that self-sabotage and find another way of getting that, a healthier way, then a lot of times that can help reduce or wipe out the self-sabotage. Self-sabotage being something that I and many people I know and love struggle with at times. So I think it's an interesting, fascinating thing we do, where consciously we want a certain thing, we want to be a certain way, and then unconsciously we set up these patterns of behavior or thought, really, that that get in our own way of achieving our goals. So anyhow, point is, it's never too late. Just get back on track. Start eating right today. Start exercising the way that you want to exercise today. Start treating the people you love the way you want to treat them today, including yourself. I think that's a quick little reminder. Always, treat yourself like somebody you love really dearly, because your body is the one thing you can't live this life without, right? So far. I know we're working on all kinds of crazy AI stuff. Anyway, it's never too late to begin again. That's my 2 cents for right now. I hope that you are enjoying whatever you're doing immensely. Until next time, peace, possibilities, and playfulness.